Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing the physics assignments of NIOS. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of assignments. If you need assignments, you can call us, and for you can message us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen, which is 900 936 8238, and and you can contact us also for the personal tutor if you need. And for this, right now we are discussing the question number one for physics. And question number one is saying that um, read the steps of activity given below and answer the question that follow it. A steel spring with its top fixed with a rigid support on a wall and a meter scale along its sides are arranged as shown in the figure. 100-gram load at a time is added on the bottom of the hanger in steps, which means the while it's putting each 100-gram load, the stretching force is increased by 1 Newton. The extension in the length of spring is also noted each time till the load reaches 500 gram. First is name and state the law which is demonstrated in the above activity. Second is plot a general shape of the graph between law, load and extension for above activity, and what does the slope of such a graph indicate. So this is the question of, and we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need answer of this assignment, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, so we will provide all the details at WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any type of other help, so you can also contact us. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.